Guys, busy morning, but let me introduce you to what's up. Bombard you right with the camera, dude. Good morning, man. All right, guys, we're with Lorenzo from IceBoxx. Do you still do the actual IceBoxx? The IceBoxx that I rode back in the day?
No.
No? Those are cool. Yeah. Those are cool. Okay, yesterday we went for a drive. We were filming and it was really good, right? We got back to the parking lot and I was backing up the car and I hear like a clunk and a pop. Not good. So I instantly got cambered. Let me show you what happened. Yes. So okay, the scary part is the car has probably less than 5,000 miles on the bags because I don't drive it very often. So I don't know what happened. So either someone didn't install it right, which I kind of doubt, or someone messed with it, which I'm more inclined to believe someone is messing with the car. So the bolt is missing. The bolt came off. The nut is missing. The other side is loose. That's scary.
What tends to happen is they come short. So when you're driving it, it doesn't. You have to have it at a high PSI to get it over the actual.
I know
fender.
the feeling.
Right. So once you put these in, this will actually make it so you don't have to drive with a high PSI, and that's where you get your comfort at around 50, 60 PSI.
Yeah.
You get your comfort.
Thank goodness.
Right.
Jeez. So the car, I have to air it up pretty high just to drive it, and it's really bouncy. That should solve everything. We've been talking for a while to get this done, and finally I've made the time to do it. So if all goes well, we'll get this car running. Flexo can't be here because he's working 9 to 5 right now, like a responsible young man.
Yeah, working for the man.
Working for the man. Oh my God, there's more bad news. That is not supposed to happen. Holy shit, that's not supposed to happen. Is this the worst you've seen?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh fuck. At least if we do something, we do it right. We're the best one.
So let me get a hammer and a screwdriver from you guys. Right here.
Okay. Okay, first off, I'm gonna say it to Lorenzo and Jay and all of the guys, thank you for coming. This could have ended so badly. I'm not being over dramatic about it. Like, I was so close to taking Aaliyah in the Subaru because she calls that her car, and I don't know why, but she says that's her car. And to know that I was so close to getting her in the car, you know, babysitting everything and take her around, that if anything broke off, it could have just taken me to a ditch, into another car. And you guys know how I drive. I drive like pretty relaxed, but semi-aggressive at times. And even in the Subaru, if you boost a little bit, all that motion and all that torque can pull you off. So I think it's just like things happen for a reason. And probably the timing with Lorenzo and everyone talking to me about the Subaru was just right, where the car broke down right here, right in front of the office. And then he shows up the next day because we pre-scheduled this already. And then now he's working on it. He's discovering all the other issues. So dude, huge thank you, Lorenzo, for coming out. John is saying I probably have an angel with me, and I honestly believe it. Now, you guys remember that dog tag in my Subaru? It's my homie that died at 15 from a drive-by. And I made a promise that his dog tag will always, which is a picture of him, will always stay in one of my cars. And it stayed in my Subaru. So maybe he's still watching over me, like, what is it, 15, 16 years later. But holy crap, I'm just glad that we discovered it now versus later. Who's to blame for this? I don't know. Just can't really blame anyone. It's been so long. The weirdest part is the car has only like less than 5,000 miles on the bag. That means like I didn't drive it that much. So somewhere between then and now, something happened that causes like catastrophic issue. But yeah, so that's what it is. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Let's get back to the video. Damn, that fucking hate. You can't even rub it off.
Yeah, it started getting the metal over here.
Shit.
But seeing this, Mike?
Huh. Oh my God. I can't even make this video dramatic because it is. There's 2 of them missing. My brake line. Rob. R.I.P. Robbie D. Mike Wynn. 2019. God damn, brake line wasn't in. These weren't in. I felt like someone was just trying to kill me, dude. Guys, check this out. Prototype of our shirt my poster that I drew into a shirt, a black shirt. Meanwhile, we're making posters. The guys like this one, but I personally like this one. Jay.
4 places.
Oh my God.
To get the nut, and it was right there.
Look at this. This was how it was left right here.
1 finger.
Oh my God.
1 finger you can turn.
Oh shit.
Both of them, yeah. Hey, but the lines are still there.
Oh, the lines are good. Oh, that's still there. Zip tied, but still there.
That's still there.
These are shiny. So how's back here looking?
Not too bad.
Okay, thank goodness.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank goodness.
Plenty of room.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have to actually take this down here and actually put the new lower bracket in.
Sweet. Got some visitors. Gino! Sir. What's up, bro? Hey, what's going on? Damn, that's a big difference.
So now you'll be able to ride more comfortable because you don't have to lift it up as high.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
Yeah.
That's what it should have came with.
Yeah. Well, when you order them, you say you wanted to extend the lowers.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
It's better off. You feel more.
That's a huge difference right there. Yeah, no, it's for real. Wow.
I'm gonna air it up first before I put the arm back on because I don't want to break this thing off. Because I might have to actually bring this sensor down a little lower because it's a different travel now because this actual lower mount is actually larger now. So.
Oh wow, that's a big difference.
Oh yeah, so now he don't have to drive it at a higher PSI. With this extended lowers, it gets you at a more comfortable rate at less PSI.
Damn, that's cool. All right, so this collar that he's messing with is supposed to hold. What does it hold down?
It basically stops the bag from actually going
Bottoming out.
Yeah.
It was like hand tight. It was. He like flicked it and then that was it. Flicked it 1 finger.
Damn.
Yeah. Air it up so that way these sensors here he can adjust them accordingly to the new length that these are. So he's gonna just finish up with whatever things he needs to tie down or tighten up and then air the car all the way up, do adjustments, and good to go. Good to go.
You can see this right here moving. See, what I'm doing is I'm cycling it just to make sure that it actually has enough room to move up and down.
Oh, okay.
And then you have to watch this so this doesn't actually come off the lift. So, and so far so good. And you still got, you hear that noise?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and you still got enough room to actually cycle it, even though this needs to be up here and not down here. So really this needs to become down here is where this needs to be at, because this needs to be up at least halfway past this right here. So I don't know what Mike has it on, but we'll see. We'll see when I calibrate it.
So back to these sensors, he's adjusting them to see if they have enough room that they need, so when he airs up and airs down, nothing bad happens.
Nothing binds up.
Yeah, so nothing smashes or cracks or snaps or anything like that. But he's pretty much checking both sides first, and then he'll plug them in and make any adjustments that he has to on this sensor right here. So, this is your first time seeing the trunk setup?
Yo, this is crazy.
Yep. This is the Subaru trunk setup if nobody's ever seen it.
You even got the compressors here in the corner where you can actually have the vents that you can actually breathe on. This is awesome.
Look at that. Hey, when'd you buy a GTR, dude?
I just picked it up yesterday.
Dang. Let me see. Go.
Woo!
That's super sick. Look at that. It's so loud. I love it. It's. Oh my god.
I think this is more satisfying than having a blown out.
Dude, that is... Woo!
Damn.
That shit is so low. It's possessed.
It's
Oh.
actually finding its
Secret access. That's my stash spot, dude. Yeah, that's where I put my stash. Alright guys, so we are going for a quick ride. He's gonna tune me up, make sure the car is riding really nice. Feels better already. Okay, we made it back. Car is smooth. Minor adjustments. See what happens. Hopefully no more loose bolts.
No, it just sounded like something was loose back here. So let me get a 14 and see.
Okay, so we found more bad news. Let me show you. More bad news. See this? That's not supposed to wiggle. Oh, that rattling too. Oh my god. So now it does not jiggle. Damn. Success. The car runs and it makes more noise now. I want you guys to hear this.
He does that all day. Trust me. Does it. And he's lucky he gets to do it 2 times. So sexy.
Nice drift car, man. Right there. We'll set up some cones next time. I'll race you in one of these with that one.
Tandem drift.
Tandem drift with it. And so awesome. Excuse me? Yeah. Alright guys, we got the new settings. All right, my dump.
Damn. Sounds sick in here too.
My ride height.
Damn, that's sick.
That is so cool. That's so cool. Alright, let's go for a quick little ride. All the arms are out. Alright guys, my first official drive. And so far, no noises, no clunking.
Not all bouncy.
Not all bouncy. Okay, that's cool. I want to make some noise though. Hold on. That's so cool. All right. Okay. Driving.
Feels better.
Does feel better.
Yeah, it feels way better.
And it's like it feels like.
Damn.
Yeah, like.
Before it felt like you're on a boat.
Yeah.
It was really bumpy and bad.
Switch over. Let's see. Oh, look at that.
Damn. Like a new car again.
It is like a new car. Damn. I can get a slog. Oh, 70 miles. I'm at 71.9.
Oh, you're almost there.
Oh, I can get a smog next week. I can get a smog in 2 months. This is the, you guys can't probably see it, but this is the dog tag I was talking about. Huge thank you to IceBoxx Customs. Lorenzo, thank you so much. You fixed everything, which is really good, but you even added a bonus to this. That noise. It's pretty loud outside. Yo, I think Lorenzo made my car lower because we're all noticing we see no rim anymore. Look, there's no more rim. Hey, I'm lower now. That's super sick.
Damn, your car looks tiny when it's aired out.
So it's after hours right now. I'm doing some work while the guys are about to play some game. Jay's about to whoop all their asses. It sounds like a dying whale or a walrus mating call. They're doing Hey, you get in there! You get in there! You get in there! What the fuck? Oh man, this is intense. I can't tell what it is. It sounds like someone's killing somebody.
He started off with.
There we go. Hey, bounce off the limiter. Can you bounce off the limiter?
You gotta be like. Oh, that's my friend.
Fuck.
Instant wheel spin.
Dude, okay, we have to film that soon. Oh, okay, keep practicing. That's funny though. Even the motion of it's funny as fuck.
Oh wait, I gotta do it.
You guys know who I miss all day? I haven't seen all day. Ready? Hi. Can you say bye, Elliot? Can you say bye to people?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say I love you. Are you done? Are you done with the vlog today? No more vlog? Fist bump already? Can you tell him drive safe?
Safe.
Okay, bye-bye. Blow kisses. Bye.